Your eyes tell me
पूछे
बस थोड़ा सी लागू खोली साउथ अमेरिका।
my eyes agree.
स्पेन में रहने के बाद भी आपका हिंदी बहुत अच्छा है।
Hi guys, so welcome to the pink city of Jaipur. This is my outfit for the day. It is kind of chilly. First things first, we are starving and we also need to check out the nightlife of this place. We are going to this place called Paru. There are two reasons why I selected this place. It is one of the rare places in India which serves molecular Indian gastronomy, and number two, it is one of the rare places which has the Michelin style set out.
I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love.
My friend had not dropped in, so I thought why not drop into another really famous place. It's called the Bar Palladio and it's located at the Narayan Nivas Palace. So I dropped in here for a quick nibble, but I was pleasantly surprised at the decor. It was all shades of blue. It's a blue fairy tale and you wouldn't even want to leave the place. It's lovely. I wish I could spend a little more time here, but my friends finally arrived and I'm excited to go to Paro.
Man, it's getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for you.
You want to shoot me like this?
Yes.
So many back.
Hi guys, it's day one and we are going to the Amer Fort, which is really far from our place. It's our first stop for the day. It's at Sahu restaurant and it's serving some of the best tea in Jaipur. It's one of the famous. Yeah. And everyone seems to have visited here. The Maharani of Jaipur, PM Modi and us today. Our first stop in Amer is Panna Meena Ka Kund, which is a step well which you can see behind me, and that's it. I don't think it's allowed to go down on those steps because there are guards everywhere, so we are just taking pictures from above. We are finally inside the Amer Fort and it's a beautiful amalgamation of Islamic and Hindu architecture. We are getting all types of pictures which our tour guide is suggesting. Hi guys, so we are finally at the Sheesh Mahal. So the story goes like this. The queen or the wife demanded the husband, who is the king, that I want to see stars during the day. And voila, he took 12 years, but he did it. He made the Sheesh Mahal. It has multiple mirrors and they would light these candles and those candles would reflect light and there goes the stars during the day. And we demand a simple cup of tea from our husbands and 12 years they don't get it. We are here for a quick bite at the Gar and you can just see behind me there's this entire view of the Amer Fort and lovely place. It serves vegetarian food but it has a lot of cuisines. It's a multi-cuisine place and I highly recommend it. We are waiting for our food but I am sold with the view. Just look at it. We are presently at Gaitor Ki Chatriya, which literally means resting place of departed souls. Kind of spooky, right? But that's it. But it's a really nice place for photography. So I highly recommend this place. We are at the Nahargarh Fort and we are here to see the sunset. So when you reach here, you have to either hike your way up, which is like a good 15 to 20 minutes moderate level hike, or you could wait till 5:30 till the last moment when the sun goes down to hike up in your car, which is most comfortable. So we're going to do exactly that. We rushed because we had made our reservations for Mohan Mahal. Mohan Mahal, located within the Leela Palace, Jaipur, is a unique candlelit zero electricity restaurant inspired by the Sheesh Mahal. As we entered, we were pleasantly surprised with the light reflected on our faces by the multiple mirror work on the walls. We enjoyed our evening by the exquisite Rajasthani cuisine and regal ambience. And this is how we ended the first day of our Jaipur trip. Good morning. Look how we are decked up. Good morning. We are going to Patrika Gate, which is the place for photographs, and it's a little chilly in the morning, but we woke up like good girls and got all dressed up. We are at Patrika Gate early in the morning, and this place opens around 8, but there are already people waiting for photo shoots, and this place is really famous for pre-wedding shoots, and why not? The place is really pretty. It has these multiple gates which has intricate work and so many colors. There's no way you're going to look bad in the pictures, and every angle is pretty. We are at the City Palace and we have purchased a royal tour, which includes the blue room and many other rooms which are not included in the normal ticket. It's 3,000 per person and you get the guide and refreshments for free. So after the Shobha Nivas, where we took a lot of pictures, we are here at the Chavi Nivas, which is the blue room, and you need the royal ticket to access these rooms. And you can see all around, these are mirrors, so many lakhs and lakhs of mirrors which are convex, made up of Belgium glass. And in the yesteryears they used to light these candles and the whole palace used to light up. So we are done with the City Palace tour. And we went to these boutique hotels just outside the City Palace, They look very nice and they're all designer stuff, but they are really expensive. So I'm not going to purchase anything. But what I did purchase was one of the pashmina shawls, which I thought is really authentic. After that, we are seated at this restaurant called Baradari. They gave us some refreshments, which is like tea or coffee, along with the ticket of the royal tour. But we are very hungry, so we've come to this place called Baradari, which looks like a very fancy place. So after the morning session, we are out for Jodi Bazaar to do some shopping and for some quick food. But on the way we have got this lassi, which is full of malai from Lassi Wala, and it's a must. So we have come to the Jodi, which is a really nice place. It is a vegetarian place, but it's placed right in the middle of Jodi Bazaar. One thing, if you're coming here with a car, it's kind of difficult. You have to walk, but the food seems to be really nice. So I've ordered for the Nazaria, which is kind of like a Negroni, and they have tweaked it a little bit to match the Indian taste. And we have ordered truffle naan, and they have served us this tiny mini kachori, which seems to be very nice. So I'm going to enjoy my drink. Hi guys, so we have come to the Hawa Mahal to catch the sunset. So we are not going inside the Hawa Mahal, but we are trying to get good pictures with the sunset. There are a couple of places. There are two cafes, Windmill Cafe and Tattoo Cafe. Definitely the pictures are better at the Tattoo Cafe. There's another place which people rent out for pre-wedding shoots, which costs around 2,500 for like 2 hours. But you can always go to these cafes, pay 500 rupees. The food is okayish, but the pictures are great. And 500 rupees is not just for the pictures, but it's covered with the food. So that's about it.